What would really happen to your body if you did a 2-minute plank every single day? No gym, no equipment, just your body, the floor, and 2 minutes of pure willpower. The answer might surprise you, because the benefits go far beyond just getting a six-pack. Planks are one of the most underrated core exercises. They look simple, but they are powerful. Anyone who has held a plank for more than 30 seconds knows that it really burns. So I decided to test it. 2 minutes every single day. No excuses allowed at all. Here is exactly what happened. Let's start with the specific muscles that you are training. Planks are a full-body isometric exercise. They primarily target your entire core and your balance. They hit your rectus abdominis, obliques, and transversus abdominis, all at the same time. After just a few days, I noticed my posture improving. I was standing much taller. I felt like I was walking with more control and sitting with significantly less back pain. That's because planks strengthen the deep stabilizer muscles that support your entire spine. Around day 7, my core started feeling much tighter, and my overall stability increased. I didn't have visible abs yet, but I had more control and less lower back stress. By day 14, 2 minutes started feeling easy. I could hold the form perfectly. I learned to breathe calmly and focus on squeezing specific muscle groups while holding still. By the 3rd week, something unexpected happened. My performance in other exercises improved greatly. My push-ups felt stronger, and my balance during daily movements got much better. Now, what about fat loss? Can you get a six-pack just by doing planks alone? Here is the truth. Planks alone won't burn enough calories to melt away belly fat. Visible abs are built in the kitchen. Diet plus training is the only real equation. But planks will build the foundation your body needs to perform better and avoid injuries. There's a mental benefit too. Holding a plank for 2 minutes trains your mind. It builds discipline, focus, and resilience. You learn to stay calm in intense discomfort. If you can hold a plank when your body wants to quit, you become stronger everywhere else. You will find it much easier to show up for yourself in everything else you do. So would I recommend it? Absolutely. It is a very small investment for huge results. 2 minutes a day for a stronger core, better posture, and sharper mental toughness. Start small. Even 30 seconds is a win. Then build up to 1 and 2 minutes. You will be amazed at what your body and your mind can adapt to very quickly. If this motivated you, give it a like and share it with a workout partner. Remember, consistency is always stronger than motivation. Start your 2-minute challenge today.